Good evening, guys. It's getting late now. I'm knackered. Just smashed the gym, 30 minutes on the bag, and some swimming and stuff. But yeah, let me sit in the light. Right, basically, there's a reason why I'm wearing yellow, which I'll tell you at the end of the video. But tonight I'm just chilling up here, and I thought, you know what? Some of my new subscribers and other people don't really know anything about me, and they probably see the competition, this one that's here, and think that it's just just another clickbait. But I quit my job about a month ago, moved into my sister's for a month, and came over here with literally barely minimum money to last a year, and to try and start that life as a digital nomad, doing things online and working remotely to live a better life, because I lose my mind a lot in the UK, suffering my mental health, get suicidal at times, and just really struggle with the old place. Where out here it's just peaceful, and the cost of living is peanuts. For me, living on my own in the UK, the price of living is absolutely ridiculous to fund a house on your own, as well as everything else that comes with the UK. So yeah, I'm literally letting you know that I've come over here with 60 subscribers. I've now got 160, 170. I need 1,000 to get monetized. So if any of you lot are wanting to become a digital nomad, follow me now, follow my journey and see that it can be done. Someone who's come here with limited computer skills and is having a go at it. And then once I've proven to you that I can do it, I'll be doing workshops, which that competition is for, to bring someone over to train them on doing the same things and the same knowledge, and help them get to the same place where I am now and be able to change their life for the better for those reasons. So hit that subscribe button if you haven't. There's a buy me a coffee QR code here. Everyone who buys me a coffee gets an extra entry into the competition, which will be drawn when I hit 999 subscribers, and then someone will get a free holiday. Terms and conditions will be in the description of that video that's on the end of this competition. So make sure you get on there and have a look. It's really important if you want to get that way and start to really actually consider changing your life, not just watching these videos. Because I procrastinated for about 6 months, and it just felt like, it can't be done. I'm going to show you how easily it can be done. So yeah, hit that subscribe button and follow my journey, and maybe you'll be able to jump on board and have views like this on an evening. Overlooking Bangkok. So yeah, support me, support the channel, buy me a coffee. And the reason I'm wearing yellow is tomorrow is Father's Day in Thailand. So everybody wears yellow in respect for the king, and also just as the father of the nation and for all fathers. So I'm wearing this tomorrow. Let's see if I get a message off my kids. They won't even know it's Father's Day yet. But yeah, if I'm a bit serious tonight, because I'm absolutely knackered, but I just thought I'd share a bit about myself. There'll be more to come, because there's a lot more about my past to reveal and let you know about, and how crazy of a life it's been, and that's led me to this place. There'll also be a video on DMT. If anyone's ever done DMT, the spirit molecule, I'll tell you my story on how it's led me here soon as well. So subscribe for all these things, enter this competition, buy me a coffee. I'm getting attacked by a gnat or a mosquito. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.